Hello and welcome to ET Garage. Today I'm going to be doing a review of Super Clean foaming spray, and I will be using that on my lawn equipment. Okay, as you can see, I got my Husqvarna ride-on, my push mower, and my power washer, and I'm going to get everything hooked up and give everything a good cleaning. And they do need a good cleaning. In fact, let me get a closer look. Okay, if you look at my push mower, my Lawn Boy push mower, you can see it's starting to get covered with grease and dust and all that stuff. And I just want to give it a good washing and give the underside a good cleaning. On the ride-on over there, this same thing, it's just covered with a lot of dust and a little layer of grease. There's nothing really bad, but nothing a good power washing and little lubing up and stuff like that, general maintenance that you do every year on your lawn equipment if you're someone like me, a homeowner that does their lawns. So let me get this camera moved around and I'll get everything set up and we'll start hosing stuff down. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take the Super Clean foaming. I'm going to comb everything down with it. Then I'm going to take a sponge and a brush maybe, depending what I need, and just give it a good wiping down. And then I'm going to wash it with wash and wax, car wash, McGuire's wash and wax car wash, just to protect it a little bit. So here it goes. Alright, everything came out real nice and clean and looking really good. One warning, whenever you wash equipment like this, make sure you read the owner's manual about washing this stuff. For instance, if that was an electric push mower or even an electric ride-on, I don't even know if they have electric ride-ons, I'm pretty sure they do now. You may not want to wash it. Definitely read the instructions. I'm sure there's some way they have to wash it, because you just need to clean this equipment, and it usually involves water. But anyway, as far as the Super Clean foaming, their Super Clean product is really good. This foaming applicator I do not like. If you get the Super Clean, I advise you just get the regular Super Clean bottle. It's the same product, just a different sprayer. When you pump it, I just don't like the way the foam comes out, and it needs to flare out more. They need to change the design so it flares out more. Also, after you pump it for a few minutes, this thing can be a little bit hard on the hands. So if you have like arthritis or something, you might want to put this into like a pump bottle or something. But the product is really good. This spray nozzle, foaming spray nozzle, I don't like. Let's get a closer look at the equipment and see how it came out. Okay, hopefully you can see this real good and the sun's not too bright. But it came out really clean, except for the wear and tear. I've had this for a few years now. So it's got scratches and stuff like that you usually expect. It did come out really clean though, and I'm real happy with it. And it looks really good. Same with the ride-on. Ride-on came out really good. And I have to say I'm happy with it. Hopefully the sun isn't too bright out here for this, but hopefully you can see it. Of course, the deck is starting to show its age. It's usually the first thing that goes on one of these ride-ons. This still has a lot of years left in it, this Husqvarna. I'm real happy with the Husqvarna. Yeah, I'm real happy with the way it came out. It's definitely a lot better. Of course, next week when I cut the lawn again, it will be all dirty again, but I always clean the deck after every use. Like I said, when it comes to your lawn equipment, make sure you read the instructions before you wash it, and be careful, follow any safety advice. You should, like pull the spark plug wires so things don't start up on you. Also realize that after you get them washing, they're probably not going to start until they dry off. This ride-on, that'll start right up. The push mower, that will never start up after it gets wet like that. You just got to let it sit and dry off. I could take an air hose to it, but anyway, I think I will get to washing the vet. I already washed the Chevy Trax. I washed the lawn equipment. I got to get this backed out of here, get everything out of the way, get this out in the driveway, wash this, and I'm going to go to a car cruise later on. Either car cruise later on, or tomorrow I'm going to go to a car show. I don't know which one. But that's my next project. I hope this stuff was informative. Like I said, the Super Clean products are really good. I only wish they would do something with this foaming nozzle, make it spread out, flare out more, and easier to pump. That's just my opinion. The product itself is really good if you need to, especially if you need to degrease anything. So keep that in mind. Everybody have a great day. God bless.